Welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you recipes and ideas. Anyway, it is summertime now. The weather is very hot. A lot of people enjoying themselves. What about you? Hopefully you're enjoying yourself too also, guys. But today I'm always making smoothies. I'm making all different kind of drinks, all different kind of stuff. But you know, that's Chef Ricardo. I'm here to send my fans them. This is, you know, what we can make for the summer. This is what you can make for the summer. So anyway, this is how we're going to be started at. I have some leftover mango, same way right here I brought. You know what I mean? I love mango. I'm always buying mango and always buying drinks, always buying bits and pieces. Detoxing also. You know what I mean? Detoxing the body. This is another thing which I've been doing over the last couple of days. This is for a barbecue for today and all these things, you know what I mean? Sometimes people at the barbecue, they want something refreshing, something tasteable, something nice. So this is one of my detoxing drink. So anyway, mango time. So I'm gonna put some mango straight inside of my Ninja blender just like this. And this is for Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. I'm gonna make a simple mango smoothie juice as the days goes by. Alright guys, we're gonna put some ice. Because I love my ice. I don't know about you guys, but I love my ice. Alright. Then second thing is to get some fresh mint. I'm gonna put some fresh mint inside of it. That's gonna make it, give it a nice little green color look. I love mint, you know. Then second thing, I'm gonna just put just a little piece of a ginger. That's fine. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor also towards it, guys. Honestly, it's gonna be amazing. Let's get that to put the rubbish. Hopefully I have some honey. Let's put a little bit of honey inside of it, not too much. Hopefully the ice will just go down inside of it. Alright, so we're not even gonna put water or anything inside of it because I want it to come out really lovely and nice. So yeah, that's looking lovely. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. All right, so we're gonna be blending this rough about 3 to 4 minutes. That's nice and lovely. So that's how it goes. All right, look at this. Really nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, I pop a little bit of the fresh mint in it. Because the fresh mint definitely gonna bring in a lovely flavor towards it, guys. Oh man, look at that. You see that? Mango. You know what happened? That's why I said my name is Chef Ricardo. I don't need to show off, I'm bossy, but you know what I mean, most of my fans may understand what I'm talking about when I say I'm in the kitchen and I'm doing certain things. This is where it comes in really handy. Fresh mint and mango is amazing with some lemon and ginger for the summer. Expect it's summer now. We have to do this, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. Don't forget to detox your body this summer, guys. Make some small bottled water like this with fresh cucumber and fresh mint is very important. All right, so what we want to say to my fans, so basically get your glass. All right, get a glass of water like this or a bottle of water, and don't forget to do this. Few slices of cucumber inside of the water like this. Alright, and second thing is just put a piece of a fresh mint in the water. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Detoxing your body is very important. I've been preaching it. And I won't stop preaching it. Guys, it's something is natural, real, and 95% of cucumber is water. The other rest is just fiber. So please do this at home, guys. I'm encouraging my fans, my friends, to do this over the last couple of months and days. I've been preaching it. Detoxing your body is very good with natural ingredients, fresh mint, fresh cucumber, fresh ginger, and all these things. This is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. You know what happened? I love you all. Thank you so much for